Hello fellow couponers, today I wanted to do a video about how I go about printing coupons.com coupons through Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a search engine and a website that allows you to earn Swagbucks that you can then redeem for gift cards and whatnot. So I'm always looking to double dip, if you will. So to print your coupons that you would from coupons.com through Swagbucks, you first start with this little icon on the left over here with shop. That will open up the Swagbucks shop where you can shop online, travel, buy gift cards, and more. But what we're looking for right here is the grocery coupons. And then this is the window that will open up the coupons.com coupons. And then you can scroll, show more coupons, scroll, show more coupons, etc. Coupons.com coupons, currently it is February 2018, and they print and have printed for years 3 to a page. So I always try to choose at least 3. So even if I was only needing these 2, I might just print this Kleenex one because it's going to print anyway, and I'll have it available for when it does print. And so then you would go to print 3, and then my printer icon is going to pop up. And there you have it. That's how it's going to print. 1, 2, 3. You can increase the number of copies that you want printed. I could also obviously print just one page. If I had 3 or 4 pages, I could print several pages. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not interested in printing these coupons right now. But I won't be able to print those coupons again. Well, you can print every coupon twice in the sense that you can choose them twice, but you can't, I won't be able to do it after the second time. Okay, and then I just wanted to show you weeks later after you've redeemed the coupon. See right here, it's counted as a discover, and I get 10 Swagbucks, which is 10 cents. So let's say I go to CVS. You guys have seen the videos of the hauls I do from CVS, and I get, 4 bottles of shampoo, and I use the Swagbucks $1 off, coupons from coupons.com that I printed through Swagbucks. I'm going to get 40 Swagbucks, which is great because then that counts towards my daily goal of Swagbucks that I'm trying to earn. I did a video several years ago on how I go about earning my daily Swagbucks, and I might be publishing another one here soon, but that's why this is a really nice thing. And it's kind of up in the air how long it takes for the coupon redemption to happen. And for a while they were, it may take up to 12 weeks after redemption for Swagbucks to show up in your account. And that's what I was just showing you, that you earn 10 Swagbucks for every coupon you redeem at your local grocery store. But that also includes CVS, Walgreens, all that kind of stuff. Alright guys, I think that does it for how to print coupons.com coupons through Swagbucks, through these grocery coupons. Let me know if you have any questions in the About section below. If you want to sign up for Swagbucks, I'll include a link in the About section below of this video with a code you can use to sign up to get some Swagbucks right off the bat, and then you can start using the grocery coupons right away as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.